There is an athlete who has been preparing for so long to participate in an event. But when the day comes, he got to know that he is not eligible to participate in that event due to certain criterias. Those criterias were not the newly introduced ones. Rather, they have been the part of that event since very long. So what made him ineligible to participate in that event was his unawareness about those criterias. So if he had earlier inquired about those criterias, he could have saved himself from this catastrophic situation. So this means eligibility plays a very crucial role. The same principle applies on the examination as well. So if you are planning to prepare for any examination, you have to have idea about certain things. Like for example, you have to have idea about the eligibility of that exam. You have to have idea about the pattern and the syllabus of that exam. You have to have idea about the previous year cutoffs of that exam, etc. So hello friends, welcome to EduTap. I am Prakash and I am a company secretary and a law graduate, and today we are going to discuss the eligibility of one such examination, that is the SEBI Grade A Legal Officer exam. So let's proceed. So if we talk about the eligibility in terms of nationality, then an applicant must be an Indian citizen. So this is a simple eligibility. Next, if we talk about the age qualification, so a candidate must not have exceeded the age of 30 years as per the cutoff date. Now the question is, what is gonna be the cutoff date? So deciding the cutoff date is totally based on the discretion of the notification releasing agency. So here in this case, notification releasing agency is SEBI. So it is based on the discretion of SEBI, right? So suppose if notification is released on 15th of Jan 2022 and they keep cutoff date as 1st Jan 2022, and suppose your birthday falls on 31st December 2021 and you have now become 30 years of age. So now in that case you are not eligible to apply for SEBI Grade A Legal Officer because you have already become 30 years. So I hope you got the clarity regarding the age qualification, that age must not have exceeded the 30 years as per the cutoff date. Now the question is, are there any age relaxations? So yes, there are age relaxations. Like for SC and ST aspirants, there is an age relaxation of 5 years. For OBC aspirants, there is an age relaxation of 3 years. For person with benchmark disability aspirants, there is a provision of 10 years of age relaxations. And the aspirants who falls in the category of person with benchmark disability as well as in the category of OBC, so they will be given the age relaxation of 13 years. And for the aspirants who fall in the category of PWBD as well as SC and ST, so there is a provision of age relaxation of 15 years for them. So this was about the age eligibility for SEBI Grade A Legal Officer exam. Now if we talk about the educational qualification, so educational qualification is bachelor's degree in law from a recognized university and institute. So for applying this examination, that is SEBI Grade A Legal Officer exam, you do not need to have any experience. You do not need to have certificate of practice from the Bar Council of India. What is needed is just to have a bachelor's degree in law from a recognized university or institute. Now there are various queries regarding the aspirants who have just appeared in their final exams. So can they also apply for this position or this exam? So yes, there is a provision regarding the same, that is candidates who have appeared for the final examinations and waiting for the results are eligible to appear for the phase 1, phase 2 as well as phase 3 of selection process. So suppose if notification is released on 15th Jan 2022 and an aspirant have appeared for his final examination on 1st Jan 2022, so in that case he can apply for this position, right? He can apply for this position. and he can also appear in both, in all phases, that is phase 1, phase 2 as well as phase 3. But one condition is there, that is, however, the offer to join SEBI to the selected candidates shall be subject to production of necessary documents evidencing successfully obtaining the requisite qualification. So if candidates who have appeared for final examination and also appeared for all the phases of this process, that is for SEBI grade A legal examination, and suppose if they are selected, so before joining the SEBI, they have to have the bachelor degree in law from recognized university or institute. So that means they have to fulfill this qualification at the time of joining. So I hope you got the clarity regarding the educational qualification for applying for the position of SEBI grade A legal officer exam. So this was all about the eligibility of SEBI grade A legal officer examination. We'll come out with another informative videos. Till then, goodbye, have a good day.